Think small bore two-strokes are a thing of the past? Think again. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 is here to prove that lightweight, nimble machines still have a place in modern motocross. You're watching Next Gen Reviews, and today we're checking out Yamaha's iconic 125 that continues to dominate its class. Design. The YZ125 rocks a lean, purposeful look that screams performance. Yamaha's signature blue plastics feature updated graphics for 2026, while the compact frame keeps weight to an absolute minimum. The slim chassis design makes this bike incredibly flickable, and the ergonomics are dialed in for riders who want maximum control. Every line and curve serves a purpose. This is pure function meeting aggressive style. Performance. Don't let the 125 displacement fool you. This liquid-cooled two-stroke punches well above its weight class. The power band is snappy and responsive, rewarding riders who know how to keep it singing in the right RPM range. The Kayaba suspension delivers a plush ride that soaks up bumps while maintaining excellent stability. Lightweight means easier handling through whoops and quicker direction changes. It's a bike that teaches you to be smooth and precise. Features and technology. The YZ125 comes with a 6-speed transmission that maximizes the engine's potential. Updated clutch components provide better feel and durability. The radiator system ensures consistent temperatures even during intense sessions. While it keeps things simple without electric start, that Kickstarter saves weight and adds to the pure mechanical connection this bike offers. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 proves that sometimes less really is more. It's affordable, maintainable, and incredibly fun. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, tell us in the comments if you're team 125 or going bigger. And don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more two-stroke content. See you on the track.